In this video, we look at how to automatically insert text into multiple parts of a Word document. As a corporate workplace trainer, I'm often asked how to insert the same text in multiple parts of a document. So often we create a document inserting a piece of text only we find we have to retype it again somewhere else. Wouldn't it be so much easier if you typed it in one place and it automatically populated elsewhere? Well, here's how.
In this video, we're going to look at how you go about taking a piece of text in one part of a document, and when you enter the data in there, have it populate into other parts of the same document. So it's a little complex and it's a two-step process. The first thing we need to do is we need to create something called a bookmark. So this bookmark we use for the piece of text that we want to replicate here. So I've just got my name here and I want to replicate that so that when I put a name in here, it feeds to here and just before the to. So this is just designed to give you simple context. So I've highlighted my name and I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and then halfway across I'm going to Bookmark. So I'm going to click on Bookmark. I'm going to give the bookmark a name and I'm going to call this Client Name, no spaces, and I'm going to click Add, and you'll see down the bottom here it says Name, sort by name, so I'm just going to click Add there. So that's the first part that we need to do, which is insert the bookmark. So create the label that represents what we're going to now apply in other areas of our document. So the next step is we come down for where we want this piece of text to feed into, and what we're going to do here is we're going to come up to the cross-reference tab up here, and it offers up numbered form. We're going to click the drop arrow and we're going to choose bookmark from here, and you can see it's got client name in here. Now don't just get really excited and click insert. We want to first of all take the tick out of the insert as hyperlink box. We make sure that this bookmark's selected and we click insert and we click close. Now I'm going to click here and I'm going to go cross-reference, make sure there's no tick, it's got bookmark, we click insert, and I'm just going to click close. So now let's say we want to change this to Brian Smith. So what I need to do is I don't want to delete all of Donna Hanson because that field code's sitting there, and if I delete all of Donna Hanson it deletes the field code. So if I just go Brian Smith, and I'm just going to take this text out and that bit out. Now you'll notice it doesn't automatically update the rest of the document. That's designed in case your document is quite long. What you're going to do now is go Control A to select the entire document, and notice I've switched on my show hide, the backwards P. You'll notice here that the Donna Hanson looks sort of bold. That's to indicate that's a field code. Now with my entire document selected, if I right click and choose Update Field, it automatically updates all of that information. So that should give you a good heads up on using bookmarks and cross-references as it relates to replicating data from one location in a document to multiple places. And of course you can do that with multiple things, like you might have an address that you need to populate, etc. And that's how you do it in Word 365.
Like this tip? Take a look at my short course on how to create professional documents in Microsoft Word. The link's below.